Hey guys, my name is Tom. In this video, I am going to show you the solution to a common type of SAT exercise. So let's begin. This is my friend Pinko. So let's take a look. And this is within the context of numbers and symbols and variables, the basics. Okay. So you might be asked to answer a question of the following type, and it says here, by how much does the product of 8 and 25 exceed the product of 15 and 10? Or something along those lines, roughly. Okay, so how do we tackle this kind of question? This is what we can do. Well, you've got here the product of 8 and 25. And the product of the other two numbers is 15 times 10. Okay? So you get your 15 times 10. We want to know by how much does the 8 times 25 exceed the product of the 15 times 10. Now, we do have the option of using a calculator, but the SAT is not testing that. They would instead like you to be able to reason along the following lines. We want to know by how much bigger the 8 times 25 is compared to the 15 times 10. So you do this. You write 8 times 25 minus 15 times 10. See? With this in place, what's the next move? Well, so many things can be done. Right? The question is, what do you do? Well, you've got your 8 and 25 and 15 and 10. You could simply do 200 minus 150, which gives you 50. And the exercise is solved. But then if you're preparing for the test, that's not quite what the exercise wants you to do. They want you to make some other observations, which might look like the following. Okay, so let's take a look. The 8 times 25 can be written as 4 times 2 for the 8, and then times 5 times 5 for the 25. And the 15 can be written as 3 times 5, and the 10 can be written as 2 times 5. See? So these are the factors of our expression here, and SAT is really testing these basic skills, or how deeply you understand the fundamentals. You've got your 4 times 2 times the 5 times the 5, and you've got 3 times 5 times 2 times 5. Well, what do we observe here? The 4 is not common, okay? The 2 is, and the 2 5s are, which means that goes out. So all that we have then is the following. Pull out the 2 5s as 5 times 5, and pull out the 2 because that is also common, and all that remains within the parentheses is 4 minus 3, see? Now, of course, this is just 25 times 2 times 1, which is 50. So the result is the same in both cases, but the SAT, to do well on it, you need to be able to reason through problems using this approach, because then this kind of understanding carries over into more complex exercises. Okay? So thank you for watching. And that is the solution to exercise number 2.